So I'll be showing you in today's tech tip how to trim a video on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for other iPhones and iPads. Now trimming is basically just chopping off some part of the beginning or of the end of a video. And you can do that right from the Photos app. So go to the Photos app, identify the video you want to trim. I'll just go ahead and trim this one, for instance. So as you can see, this is a 24-second video, and I'm gonna trim a part of the beginning and a part of the ending of this video. Okay, so this is what the ending looks like. I'm gonna trim this video. So open the video and then tap on edit in the top right corner, right next to this other button. It says edit. Tap on that, and that opens the editor. Now at the bottom there, you should see the timeline of the video. Now to trim the beginning part of the video, just use this slider that looks like an arrow facing this way, this one right here, and you can move that up to where you want the video to start, and then you can come to this other side and trim the ending and stop where you want that video to stop. Okay, like that. So I've trimmed this part and I've trimmed this part off, and I'm remaining only with the middle part. When you're done, just tap on done, and then you can choose to either save the new video you've trimmed as a new video clip, or if you choose save video, it's going to overwrite the original video. Now personally, I prefer to save video as new clip in case things don't go well, and that's it. So now if you go back to the gallery, you should see the original 24-second video and the trimmed version, which is now 10 seconds. So this is my trimmed video. It's now just 10 seconds. And that's basically how to trim a video on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.